Want crystal clear evidence for every drive? Meet the REDTIGER Dash Cam front rear. Perfect for daily commutes and road trips. Capture every moment, day or night. Ultra HD 4K front, 1080p rear recording. Read road signs and license plates easily. 170-degree wide-angle front, 140-degree rear coverage. Minimize blind spots, maximize safety. Superior night vision with f1.5 aperture lens. 6-layer lens and HDR WDR technology. See every detail, even in low light. No more blurry or missed footage at night. Built-in Wi-Fi for instant app control. Connect to your phone effortlessly. View, playback, and manage recordings instantly. Download and edit videos in the REDTIGER app. Share travel highlights with one click. Show friends and family your best moments. Integrated GPS tracks route and speed. Access location data for every drive. Review journeys on Google Maps via app. Extra evidence when you need it most. Loop recording means no missed events. G-sensor locks collision footage automatically. Protects crucial videos from being overwritten. 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse. Records even while parked for total security. Peace of mind, whether driving or parked. Includes 32GB card for immediate use. Easy setup, just plug into cigarette lighter. USB-C option available for modern cars. 316 IPS screen for clear playback. Quickly review footage right on the device. WDR balances exposure for crisp images. Never miss a detail, rain or shine. Perfect for safety-conscious drivers. Ideal for commuters and car owners. Protects you in unexpected situations. Retain and present evidence with confidence. REDTIGER's 18-month assurance included. 100% satisfaction guarantee for peace of mind. Dedicated after-sales support. Always here for you. Upgrade your driving experience today. Stay secure with advanced dashcam technology. Capture every journey in stunning clarity. Easy to use, powerful features. Share memories, protect yourself, drive smarter. Your car's ultimate companion for safety. Don't settle for ordinary dash cams. Choose REDTIGER for reliability and innovation. Experience the difference of 4K dual recording. See and share every detail, every drive. Ready for your next adventure? Order the REDTIGER Dash Cam now. Drive with confidence, drive with REDTIGER. Your safety, your evidence, your story.